putting up.
Oh, that's what immediately I told them that we shift into the hotel and then put them. This is not the way. I mean, I'm not happy with this at all. This is very, very.
I think everyone, sir, not only here. There's accommodation made in MSOA office also. I mean, both boys and girls are being kept in the same building, and the toilet, there's no provision for water also. I mean,
that was shift just now.
That's what, but they should not be shifted there, no, sir, tonight. I mean, there should arrangement should have been made from the beginning. No? I mean, you have to see the condition of the building. It's leaking. I mean, the boys cannot sleep there.
And bathrooms.
Bathroom pathetic.
Hadian kejing penpriang ki dur ki social media, bapen iya kejing jaklia ki pankana bar kejing isang sot ki Jaka sa jeki Nongiashimbynta at Meghalaya Games arhajar arpoar. Nakaliang Myntri Rangbah kejela marmar ulalit ban jurip hidalade. Haka ni kajing le jurip ulapan pawi kajing sngaw diaw banyu iba kinigi kina ki blawan na jan bat na jengay Nongiashimbynta haka ni ka Meghalaya Games kilaha bansa hakum kini ki Jaka ki bam isyong dor satya bansa ki brio. Ula hukum ki bor badi banpet banyalam sano ikini ki Nongiashimbynta shiki hotel ki bakhambha barula batharu yaki badai banpet bakin le ek babhae na ka benta baro ki Nongiashimbynta haka Meghalaya Games arhajar apawar.
My sports team, my discipline. That's a hotel of buka touch kaba, ne? That's a hotel of sima. Problem with the sinu yate, ne? Take them to the hotel and make sure they're okay. Boss, this is not good, mo. Should have been worked out properly before.